Good morning and welcome to MarineMax Ocean View, New Jersey. Today we are going to be taking a look at our 2016 243 Everglades center console. As you can see, it's blue hull sides, underside of the hardtop to match. She's sitting on a 2020 Load-Rite Aluminium Tandem bunk trailer. Boat has a white 300 horse Yamaha outboard on the back, 360 hours. We'll take a look at the other side, show you the hull was near perfect. It's a beautiful boat, bright white top sides, the metal is all white. Liberty Call 2, we'll jump up inside and go through some options. As we come up inside, you can see there are 2 flip seats in the back, livewell. There's your 300 Yamaha. Here is your leaning post. Core goes underneath with your bolster seat. It does have a 12-inch Garmin, your Yamaha display, trim tabs, tilt wheel. In the overhead, there's a Fusion stereo, Garmin VHF. It's a windshield, goes up and down. Forward, your storage, seating. There is a trolling motor that is not on board. It does come with the boat. 36-volt Minn Kota. There's your seating in front of the helm with storage under it. Light in the hardtop. Combing on the side. Boat is in very good condition. Great running boat. There's your saltwater washdown. Battery switch. Boat is here on site. Please call me with any questions or email me, text me. My name is Alan. Thank you.